Right, so anyone who's spent enough time in this space knows that finding genuinely useful crypto content is kind of a problem. Most of what's out there is either written for people who already know everything, or it's essentially an ad that doesn't bother telling you it's an ad, and I got tired of both a long time ago. But something that kept showing up in my research is this idea of actually reclaiming the fees that leave the wallet on every single transaction. Network fees, gas, getting that back. I've been running hands-on tests across DeFi infrastructure for years now, and that process taught me pretty quickly what separates a properly built protocol from something that just has a clean interface slapped over nothing. Today I'm going through one project I've had under observation for a while, and I'll also walk through the framework I use to decide whether something's even worth looking at in the first place. Alright, so the platform is open right here, and before getting into any theory, I want to go through the actual product first, because the technical execution always reveals more about a project than any white paper does. So first thing is connecting the wallet I run most of my activity through. That's where the fee history I want to recover is concentrated. The platform offers a few different ways to connect, which is a small thing, but it does tell you something about how much thought went into this. Going with the one that fits my setup. Okay, and that's in, no hiccups. Wallet address is right there on the dashboard, so now I need to specify the chains for the scan. So just going through and marking the networks that I've been most active on. All right, those are selected, and hitting scan, and system goes off and starts pulling together the gas data across all of that. Okay, and scans wrapped up. Panel shows me complete breakdown, total fees that left my wallet over time, and the portion that's sitting there eligible for recovery. Here I click View Results, and there's the full picture. Now I select which chain to claim from, then I set which network I want the tokens delivered to, and hit Confirm. And from this point, the protocol just needs a few minutes to get the transaction finalized on chain. So while that settles, I want to get into the mechanics of how this actually functions. And I'll keep it as straightforward as possible because not everyone's been staring at blockchain explorers for the past several years, and that's completely fine. So the protocol has revenue sharing arrangements with partner platforms that operate fully on-chain. No centralized infrastructure sitting in between, just smart contracts handling everything directly. Every trade that routes through those platforms kicks a percentage back into a shared rebate pool. And that same pool gets a continuous feed from the cut that validators normally capture by controlling transaction ordering within each block. That's value that typically just vanishes into the network and never comes back around. And then layered on top of that is a dedicated treasury reserve that exists specifically to fund the historical gas recovery, the exact thing that was just kicked off a few minutes ago. All three of those feeding the one pool, and that's where the rebates actually originate. Alright, so that's the full picture, and look, I'll be straight, this isn't some kind of paradigm shift, it's a specific mechanism that solves a specific problem. But the logic behind it is sound, the implementation is put together carefully enough that nothing jumped out as concerning, and the time spent on it hasn't surfaced anything worth worrying about. Alright, and that's this one done. Thanks for watching.